2008 Jeep Liberty. Turn the key on. No lights coming on. And check the switch on the bottom. It's everything good. Now I'm gonna go in the front of the fuse box. When I turn the key on, we should get power here. I'm only getting ground. So now, if I power this up, everything will light up in the front. Okay, so what I did now, I can shut it off and turn it back on. No problem. But how I got to this communication was I unplugged all four of these to try the computer. But then I'm missing a lot of cables on it, so that didn't help. But that, as soon as I unplugged this, like everything came back to life. So somehow I hard resetted it and it's working normal. This is temporary, of course it's not fixed because I think we have a problem with the PCM. This is from Jeep. I don't know what kind of Jeep it was, but as far as right now, working good. I was able to start it and everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and order the PCM so the customer don't have an issue again. Now I'm probably getting full communication because before I'm not getting no communication. Whatever you see on gray, that means no communication. So now I'm gonna restart this. Oh, there you go. Now it's reading everything. And PCM has got about 9 codes. ASD. Oh, that's garbage. That's garbage. So, well, I have to reset everything. And so it give me this code because I tried the other computer that doesn't belong to this car. That's why it gave me that PCM. But I'm gonna turn the key on, shut off the engine, key on, and clear everything to see what am I left with. Okay, so clear the PCM, clear the PCM. So basically it cleared everything. Now I'm gonna start it a couple of times and scan the system again to see what kind of, well, everything clear out of the dashboard. No lights at all. And over here I should not get any codes either. Let's see. PCM clean. Everything green. So here's the problem. The PCM is the problem. Now, should I leave it as is? Not safe, because this can happen maybe a later on, a month from now, a year from now, or maybe it doesn't happen at all. Who knows? But we gotta fix this with that PCM problem. So if you run into this kind of problem, just unplug the PCM and that will do it. Okay, that's it for this video. That was quick diagnostic here. Well, I spent 15